When going on these Miranai J shoots or any quick shoot, it's important to be friendly and inviting and try and, make sure that they can feel at ease. Not everyone is comfortable in front of the camera. Sometimes you go to a shoot and they just want you in and out as quick as possible. Luckily today, even though Katarina was busy, she was very sweet and very easy to work with, making it great for us to kind of experiment a little bit with what we could shoot. So we took photos outside and a couple inside. We even got a group photo. Getting the employees involved for this kind of shoot is great. Setting up my camera, I usually try and make sure, since I don't have a portable C-stand light, I use my flash on my camera, but I make sure that that is set up as much as possible before I walk in the door so that I could get shots right off the bat if I need to. And for composing the shot, there was one of those dividing, like paper dividers. There was a flower, and then the front desk itself was like a kind of nice red. So it kind of all looked pretty good together, and we just had to have the client in the middle of it all just to add a little bit of interest to it, as opposed to just shooting in front of a white wall. I will usually do a bit of everything, a bit of the thirds, a bit of the middle, and then like third to the right, third to the left, and then head on, just so that I can decide in post what I would like. Other times, if I'm shooting the sign of a restaurant and I want the owner there as well, we'll have the owner off to the side so that we can read what the place is called. We're in San Anselmo right now. We just finished the shoot at Bienvenuto Salon, and Cesar and I just found this Indiana Jones and Yoda statue in a park that we've been to 100,000 times before and just, I don't know, never noticed it. Look at that. It's got the hat and everything. Oh my God, that's awesome. Yoda with a lei on too. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.